Hello guys, I'm back with another video today, and now two videos will be up. One from the regular videos which was going up, giving the reality of the region wars. So my video of three strikes, and out I'm sure most of you have not seen it. That it got banned, not banned. Sorry, it got age restricted for my stupid intro. So for that, the videos you have seen have newer intros. So I'm creating another video on this topic, and the next video is also coming. That is Pokemon Medical Lens Part 3. So currently, the situation is that if you have seen the video, you can understand. And for those who have not seen, I'm telling it in short. Unbiased media got banned from Instagram for violating the guidelines. I have shown you the proof and how, and there's no unbiased media. But here comes the but. Today we found out unbiased media's Instagram account has been restored again. I don't know what the hell Instagram is doing, but I would like you all to take down unbiased media's Instagram ID. So let's go to unbiased media's Instagram. Let me show you what is unbiased media's Instagram. So unbiased. So here is the ID. Parody of unbiased and completely against each and every religion. Sometimes he posts a Hindu phobic, sometimes Islamophobic, sometimes Christian phobic, and everything. So is there nothing we can do if you can't understand in any part of the letter? I will show you guys. I will tell you the spelling of the account, so you can go and search for it on Instagram. Be sure to go and spam report it under spam, and report some of his posts and videos under hateful or violence, so his accounts can be taken down. As per like you have seen here, let me show you in Instagram only. If I have the here at the back, I need to see here. You can see reported video new unbiased media's photo. Like this, you need to just keep on complaining. As and if you have seen the previous video here, so it looks like his account has been restored and all of the mail has been deleted. But in the previous video, you can see that it was told that his ID was taken down. So guys, please go spam his account and get it taken down. I am telling you the spelling of the account. If you can't understand the video, it's UNBIASED dot MEDIA, unbiased media. It will have 57.3k followers. I'm repeating, the name is unbiased media, UNBIASED dot MEDIA. It will have 57.3k followers. Must report it, share the video so that the region war do not continue, and I'm going to meet you in the next video that is coming within 15 to 30 minutes of the Pokemon Mythic Legends Part 3. Till then, peace out.